What's up, my environmentalists? Okay, you can see it's all wet in here because the misters just went off and I got misted. Like that over there. Yeah. But there are misters over here. We're doing quite a few studies at a time. This one we put down some media and then we put down soil. Ours was from the Waterman vegetable product, and I'm not sure what this one was. If you can read that, that's where it's from. But there's a divide. So here's some grass and some weeds. There's some weeds and some grass looks like it's growing up there. We have it divided in half so we can tell which half is which. And we did this a couple weeks ago. We put some wet paper towels on the top so that way it would be moisturized. We took it off a week later. So we started at this lab 2 weeks ago. And this is how it's doing. So we're going to walk over to the next section of the greenhouse. This is room 178 or 176. I'm not sure. I'm going to walk over to the hydroponic study. 176. This is G176 in the Ohio State greenhouse. Okay. This is extremely convenient because it's literally right there. 174. So this is where we're doing our hydroponic studies right here, and then our competitive studies with velvet. Our team is velvet and peppers. Myself, Danielle, and Ines. So we'll take a look at this one real quick. And these tall plants, they're velvet leaves. And they grow as a weed here in Ohio because we really don't use them for anything, but they're really soft to the touch. And then they grow these little flowers. So where did ours go? Here's ours here. 100 velvet. Here's another 100 velvet right there. And then you get into our other ones, which are part bell pepper or habanero pepper, depending on where it is. There's the habaneros here. And then velvet leaves. So here's the velvet leaf, and then here's the pepper plants there and there. And they get extremely tall, as you can see. All the way down to there. Let's see if I can find a ruler around here. Yep, I did. Passed it. Just kind of give you a glimpse of. Yeah, it's well over a foot tall. Exactly how tall, I'm not sure. Looks like it caps out around 4. That's a 4. I know this is. There it is. Does it focus this fast? And then we have a hydroponic studies. So this one is, and I'll crouch down so you guys can see this. This is our 17% nitrogen, so this is our low side. And that's just one basil leaf. And to give you kind of an idea of how long it is, it's about 6 inches long. That's just one leaf. So here's our basil. Our lettuce is hanging out down here. What's up, lettuce? And this guy right here is the tomato plant. Looks a lot bigger in the shot. And then this one back here. This is, let's see which one's which. I think this one's ours right here. So this one that's kind of curved over is the basil plant. The one down here that's hiding is the lettuce plant. And then we have the tomato plant growing up real tall right there. It's kind of hard to take a still shot far away from it. That is the hydroponic lab, our competition lab. And the other one, I'm not exactly sure what to call it, but those are our labs. And then you can kind of see all the hydroponic studies from all the other groups. Same class, just different groups. Don't have to. Look at that guy. That guy's huge. They had to put stakes in some of them so they would stay upright. But this is what they're supposed to look like. So if we just plant them in normal soil and let them grow, this is what they're supposed to look like. And to give you an indication of the measurements of these things, it's about 2.5 inches long, depending on where you measure it from. There we go. But here's the basil leaf, or leaves of the basil plant. Here's the tomato plant, and then the small little lettuce plant growing right next to it. But this is what they would look like if we just grew them naturally. And the competition study. Alright, that's all I got for you guys this week. I'll be back next week with updates. Peace.